We have an iPhone SE. The customer wants to replace its battery with 100% battery health. Let's turn off the phone. Then we can unscrew the two bottom screws. Open it up. Now we can remove the home button strip bracket. Then disconnect home button strip. Open the screen and unscrew the battery connector shield. Remove the battery connector. Unscrew the display connector shield and remove the strip. Disconnect all the strips. Let's peel off the original Apple's battery adhesive. Remove the old battery. Replace it with a new battery. Connect all the display connector. Now close the display. Now let's turn on the phone and check the display status. The battery health is now showing 100%. We can return the phone to the customer with a healthy battery. Check out our Instagram page for more videos.